So this is the push band velocity meter that Bob had on his forearm during a deadlift speed set. This is his last set, but the more valuable stuff is to look at the trends. So these are what looks like to be 8 sets. He did 8 doubles, and as you can see, we toyed around with the weight a little bit at the beginning. We went from 305 to 335, and at the beginning of the set he was moving the bar really fast with peaks up around 0.75, which is what you want. And as we went on, he started to slow, but then he tightened up a little bit. But then as you can see, over the last 3 sets, his velocity really started to decline on that last set. His average velocity was down around 0.2 a second. So that's how we decide whether or not it's the end of a lifter's day. So when you see that kind of drop off in velocity with the same weight, there's really not just much there anymore, and you know, he doesn't have enough in the tank to keep the power up. If you look at the power in watts, you can see he was making decent power numbers. Peak power up 2,500 watts and an average about 1,000 watts. But then he really dropped off in that 8th set, which is kind of what we expect. And that's how you use velocity to decide what the end of the set's going to be. You know, Bob wouldn't be able to maintain bar speed. This is all about bar speed. There's no use doing any more than the 8 sets, which is what we kind of had programmed for to begin with. But this is just another tool that we use at MedFit to help people achieve the max performance. You have to look at how fast you're moving the bar, not just how much weight's on the bar if you want to be really strong.